Yahoo. What? Continue with the camera. Where the fuck that means? Hopefully this mic is working, bro. Anyways, let's get into it. Starting on the 4 hour, we had low resistance right here. We had low resistance right here, and I was kind of just focused on this unmitigated 4 hour right here. This one got inverse as well, so I was like, I'm pretty fucking bullish, but that's like on the higher time frame, right? Similar thing with ES. Let's just go. I don't think I want to do ES today. I'm not gonna do like a fucking analysis on this guy, but on the 1 hour, more clear, low resistance right there, low resistance right here as well. I don't know. Today was kind of weird because my overall bias is honestly bullish. But if I was bullish, I want to see like more bullish confirmation. Either us, inversing this and continuation off like this or some shit and going higher. Or we go down here, take out the fucking low resistance, take out the 4 hour, go higher, right? Or something like, that's like a higher time frame though. So like in the moment, 9:30 type stuff, right? I'm looking for what I can capitalize off in that moment, which was shorts at the time. Oh, you know what I can do actually? Watch this. Watch this. Fuck, I did not mean. Fuck me, hold on. Gosh damn it, man. Gosh fucking damn it. Gosh damn it, dude. Bro, fuck TradingView, bro. Alright, 9:30. There you go. And let's hide this shit because it looks crazy. Alright. Fuck you, ES. 9:30. Why is it doing that? Fuck. Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit, I heard something. Alright, 9:30. Market opens, and I was already looking for shorts to be honest, because we already tapped into this 1 hour. But I was like, I want to see us like, hit equilibrium of this range right here. Like this range at least, which we did. And I was like, boom, okay. This leg got inversed. We tapped to the 1 hour right here. So this is basically a BPR, right? We went further than equilibrium. I'm just like, dude, this is insanely good for shorts. What the fuck? Gosh, dude, why does it keep going? Oh my gosh. I take the fuck out. And I was like, this is insanely good for shorts, right? Tapped to the 15 minute right there as well. There's like a 1 minute BPR. Like it was just, everything was just fucking amazing, right? So like, it was like just bearish as fuck. You feel me? So I was like, boom. Like we have mad low resistance to the downside right here. You have these. You have the higher time frame windows, which are like the main targets or whatever, right? All that, and I was like, bro, this would be insane. Like this is fucking perfect. This is exactly what I fucking want. Time to high time frame 1 hour, BPRs, all that, right? And I'm like, okay, all I want here is some strong, oh shit, some strong bearish moves. What happens? We got a pretty strong bearish move right here, and I was gonna enter off this exact candle at 9:33 right here, but I was like, it didn't fucking close, obviously, right? And I was like, dude, this thing had literally basically like no wick at all. I was like, this is insane. We go up a little bit. I'm gonna enter into 1 micro here, so like I don't quote unquote miss the move or whatever, right? And then I was like, I'm scaling the rest of the micros of my size once we inverse the actual leg. So like, I mean, I'm putting my stop loss right here anyways. So it's like a crazy RR. I was basically top ticking in a way off my first micro scale in here, and then I put the rest of the micros for my full position in here. And we're chopping around for a bit. I was like, dang, like I have so much strong conviction that it's gonna at least go to this low resistance right here, um, which it did, and I was gonna break even after all this stuff got taken out, and I was like, okay, I hit my fucking break even, so I gotta break even on this first trade. I was like, damn, that fucking sucks. I saw conviction going lower. Um, Started chopping around for a bit more, and like honestly, like that's like one of the biggest signs that we're gonna have bad PA or whatever is when we start chopping around like hella, right? I'm like, dude, you know what I'm saying? I'll look for like a re-entry, but I want something that's like pretty decently good or whatever, right? Um, and then we start chopping around. We presented another fair value gap right here, and I was like, shit, I'm trying to short this bitch. Started chopping around for a bit, kept tapping the fair value gap. I'm like, this is like insanely good. We're expecting this one over here. Um, like it was just insane, right? Like same narrative and bias man this exact trade as well, but I didn't take this one. I was like, okay, if it closes at this exact candle at 9:54, this exact one right here. What the fuck? The fuck I got going on? But then I'll enter, and it literally it literally edged it, and I was like, what the fuck? Okay. And I was like, if another candle closes, I don't think it'll look as good, and it didn't. And this trade ended up getting a break even as well. So I stayed out of it. I mean, I could have, you could have took it and aimed for like a what? A 1 or 2? Interesting. I look, I could have done that. But, I was trying. Damn. Nah, actually, low key. Interesting. Interesting. But fucking. Damn, I could have took a 1 or 2 off this shit. That's crazy. I think I had my stop loss higher though, I remember, yeah. But I would have got breaking on this anyways. But I don't think this was a bad play. I just didn't like how it looked due to like this close and shit. So, yeah. Anyways, and then so I didn't take this trade. There's 3 trades that got presented for me, and I didn't take the second one. But I was like, okay, let's see what we get here. And what do we get? We get a 5 minutes for value gap. I'm like, all right, bet. Like if I can short off this shit, right? So boom. My main targets are still open down here. I can short off this bitch, right? I'm like, boom, 5 minute for value gap, right? Tapped in, keep a 1 minute for value gap. I'm like, dude, this is perfect. Well, I can get a fucking IFG off this. I was also looking at the 30-second to make sure we ideally close past this 30-second as well, which we did. Boom, we took the trade. Break even at this low right here. And, well, this shit hit break even fast as fuck. Went down for a little bit. It hit break even so fucking much, bro. But, yeah, so break even saving from this loss. Pretty good. Targets were still open. Edged the fuck out of this low right here, by the way. Literal chalkwork, dog. After this, bro, I took 2 break evens. I'm off for the day. I don't like trading after that. And plus, there's equal lows down here. Just not probable in my opinion. The narrative of this is pretty good, but we got equal lows and just like, looks like dog diggity shit. I was just off after that, and after that, I just started ripping ass, bro. Like, look at this literal chop work, dog. And yeah, like honestly, if I was gonna hold this trade over here, I wouldn't break even, like not break even, but like look at and kind of like observe or take profit out earlier if this 4 hour on ES got taken out, but it never even tapped the 4 hour on ES, bro. Like make that make sense. Like it's just literal chopper, dude. I think I'm down. I'm like down like a little bit because of fucking break evens, but basically break two break evens today. So yeah, I'm hungry as shit. I'm trying to go fucking eat now. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This thing ripped ass, dog.